how to set Spotify songs as ringtone on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set any Spotify song as your ringtone on Android step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you that the Spotify songs are protected by DRM. So you cannot directly use them as a ringtone. So here you'll first need to download the song using the Spotify Premium or the legal Spotify downloader. So make sure that the file is in MP3 format. And with that being said, you can simply open the settings once you have downloaded the songs using the Spotify Premium. And now here, once you have opened the settings, then what you can do is simply tap on the search bar at the top, and here you can simply type ringtone and simply search for it. Now here you can just tap on ringtone, and after that you can just tap on the ringtone option. And now here in this section you can just tap on my account, or you can even tap on this option which says pre-installed ringtones, or you can simply tap on choose local ringtones. And after that you can simply tap on music option, and from here you can simply select the music that you have downloaded from the Spotify Premium. And here once you are done choosing the music, then you can simply tap on OK. And now here once you're done, you can simply tap on apply, and you can select ringtone from here. And once you do that, it will be applied instantly as your ringtone. And that's it. That's how you can set Spotify song as ringtone on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.